Okay, we're gonna be taking this beautiful walk through this park. We're gonna go all the way down to Banyan. Just kind of show you all these trees all along the way. Also put the camera over there so you can see what's in there as well. Oh, typhoon damaged tree. Might show that to you too. Okay, we're gonna be heading down here in a minute. Go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, we're gonna be I'll just kind of show you way down here. There's a park. They're doing some construction work. They're doing construction work over here too. I don't know what's in there exactly, but and then we can also see there's a tree that's damaged right there. So I don't know if you can see that. Let me put the camera up a little bit. You can see the roots stick all the way up there. It's like about twice the size of twice the height of as a human being. So yeah, that tree went down, and there's a typhoon maybe about 10 days ago, 2 weeks ago. So luckily this area has survived all the typhoons. There was another part of Macau that had a big row of these that were that followed a wall. And about 3 years ago was Hato in 2017 in September. And it just it went through and knocked over almost all of these, not these ones, but this other area with much bigger banyan trees actually, and a whole row of them just kind of fell over, knocked over a wall, and they had to replace the wall and rip out all the trees. So yeah, actually that one just kind of reminds me of that. Because I should go over there, but yeah. But anyways, this is the park, and it's kind of beautiful because you have all these park benches everywhere with these beautiful banyan trees. Let me see. I wish I could easily get over there without having to. Just have to go around. It's not too bad. But yeah, you basically have a whole row of all these park benches. So there's always a seat. Every once in a while there would be some bigger event, and everything would be busy. But that's definitely not now. And actually, right now with COVID, it's a little bit like to go through the park, you have to do a temperature check, and you have to check your ID. There's a piano straight ahead. I'm gonna check out that typhoon though. Typhoon tree. I guess we have to go down this way. It's like there's a new tree that's planted. A couple new trees there. So we're gonna check out that typhoon torn down tree. See what it's all about. But yeah, this park, there's I'll just kind of let you know a little bit about this area. There's a gate right there. You can see that gate. So, which is actually kind of good because it's gated all the way around. And then people will walk up and down here to get exercise and sit in that middle lane part under those big banyan trees. So you got this nice relief from the sun, especially during these hot months like right now. Okay, let's check out this. I don't know if we can go over there or not. It's gonna jump the bushes, but they probably don't want you to do that. Look how cool this tree is. I love these trees in Macau. It's a cool looking tree. Okay, let's go check out our big typhoon damaged one. So yeah, okay. So yeah, just kind of tore through it. This is about 2 weeks ago. And most of them, they've already cleared them away, but they clear out the ones that affect traffic and pedestrians and things like that. But this one fell over in such a way that it doesn't really affect anybody. So it's kind of interesting. Okay, let's just kind of we'll just walk by it one more time, and then we're gonna walk through the park again and go over to the Banyan statue. Okay, so let's jump over here. Jump. Okay, and then I also just want to talk about all these. So basically you have all these tall, these are kind of corporate offices, and some of them might be residential as well. And then on the other side you have another row of those kind of buildings, and they go back maybe a few blocks this way and a few blocks this way. And then after a couple blocks you can see the Wynn Casino in the background right there. So there's a Wynn, and there's also MGM Casino over that way a few blocks away, and then over this way there's I don't think you can see through. I can see through it, but the camera might not catch it as well. But I can see the Sands Casino over there. So basically we're in a part of Macau called Nape, N.A.P.E. And basically this Nape, look how beautiful that is. All these cool little names of some stuff. That's kind of cool. So you can actually put your phone and just kind of see exactly what kind of flower that is. I think they have that throughout a lot of Macau. I'll see different trees will have those little scan codes, barcodes, or whatever those are called. Can't remember the name of that. But then you can scan it and you can see what you're looking at. So it's really good for people that like all these beautiful trees that are in Macau. I think here we have somebody playing the piano. Let me see. Street piano program. Let's see what this is. So, okay. Hello, how are you?
This is one of the special program of the Macau, the musical festival in this year, because this year we don't have any performers from outside of Macau. So yes, and also this street piano program, it is the second year. Yeah, we hope to bring the music to most of the citizens, no matter they know music or they don't know.
Oh, it sounds really great.
You also can try this. Yeah,
that's great. Yeah, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
I like it. It's so beautiful.
Yeah,
Thank you. That's cool. So yeah, that's for the music festival. Yeah, because of COVID, nobody can come in. So I don't know, people that are viewing this right now, they probably will know that already. But for other people, maybe they might watch this a year or two later after COVID. But yeah, most things are canceled because of COVID. So so nobody can go in, nobody can come here and perform. There's no no flights and no all these fish. Over here there's a bunch of fish too. Looks like they're waiting to be fed. Can you see those? They're kind of black. I don't know how they'll go in the camera. I was gonna walk right to Guanyin, but I guess I can't walk to her today because these are gated. So I was gonna just keep walking straight to it. Usually in the past you could go through the gate, but with COVID you can't. But you can see the beautiful statue of Guanyin out in the distance there. So I guess instead we'll just we're gonna have to end the video there in a minute. Oh, yeah, it's a really nice park though. I'll catch you the name of the park in a minute. There we go. Parc de Carlos de Assumpção, and then there's a Chinese name as well. And there's some different entry points. But yeah, basically it's that kind of shape. And then this one has all the fish and turtles. Okay. Let's walk out this direction and we're gonna exit out of the park over here. Yeah, sometimes I've seen they have different events here. I think once they had one where they had kids from the community were painting throughout the whole park. And I think a lot of them were from schools, and then other ones were just joined in, so parents could bring their kids in and enjoy. Okay, so hope you enjoyed seeing this park in the middle of Nape in Macau. There's a Zape and a Nape. This is the Nape, N-A-P-E. Chiquinha,